Hello everyone. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about layers, page number 72 and 73. Today we will learn what is layer in Photoshop and how to manipulate it. First of all, let's see how to view the layer. In order to do that, first I'm going to open an image. First go to File and then Open, choose your image, press OK. And over here on your right side you will see that layer panel and you will see your layer. If you did not find your layers over here on your right side, you need to go to window and then choose layer and examine how this window, now let's examine the layer window, how this window display only one window layer called as background. Note that any image you open before editing is formed of one layer, always named as background. Now let us open one more image. I'm going to open one more image from File, Open, and then choose your image, press Open. I need to copy this image. In order to do that, I'm going to click on Magic Wand tool, select outside, and then select Inverse, Edit, Copy to copy the image. Now let us go back to the first image and then press Ctrl V or execute the command edit paste. Now check here, you will see a new layer with the name of layer 1. Okay, now in order to resize the layer 1, in order to resize a new image, I need to click on layer 1 and then press Ctrl T and resize your image, and then with the help of move tool, okay, I have to press apply, and with the help of move tool place your image, new image. Okay, now make sure that whenever I work with the new image, my cursor is selected the layer 1. So from this, what we concluded that each image is placed on a new layer in order to able to customize the image in Photoshop. I hope the lesson is clear to you all. Thank you.